In this video, I'll briefly show you how to use the BITS credit card. If you ordered a physical card, there are two initial steps to follow. First, activate your card. When you receive your physical BITS MasterCard, follow the provided instructions to activate it before making any transactions. Once activated, you can use your BITS MasterCard for both online and in-store purchases wherever MasterCard is accepted. Now let's discuss some general usage tips. Be aware of your spending limit to avoid overspending. You can monitor your spending and limit within the BITS app. BITS operates on a subscription model, so you'll have a monthly fee in addition to any charges made using your BITS credit. Using your BITS credit card and making timely repayments can help you build your credit history, which can be beneficial in the long run. It's important to note that the BITS credit card differs from traditional credit cards. It is designed primarily to help users build credit with smaller, controlled spending limits. You cannot withdraw cash directly using your BITS card, whether physical or digital. Its use is focused on in-app purchases with partner retailers or online transactions where MasterCard is accepted. These are key points to know when using the BITS credit card.